In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightning app in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your skills, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part along the way. Let's get started by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Quick Settings icon located typically at the top right of your screen. From here, we move on to Open Advanced Setup. This is where you can access more configuration options. Now that you're in the setup area, type Lightning App Builder into the search bar and on your left. This tool allows you to create custom interfaces using a simple drag and drop interface. Once the option appears, go ahead and click on Lightning App Builder. It's a powerful tool that lets you design the look and feel of your app with an easy-to-use editor. Next, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on that to initiate the creation of a fresh app. Among various options, you'll find App Page. Select it, as this best fits our needs for creating a Lightning app. After that, proceed by clicking on Next. This takes you to a screen where you'll need to input a label name for your page. Make sure to choose something descriptive and clear, as it helps in future identification and organization. Once your label is set, the next step is to choose a Lightning page type. There are various templates available, such as header and right sidebar. Selecting this will arrange your components into a familiar layout with a header and sidebar, a popular choice for many apps because it provides a balanced presentation of information. Click Done to save this configuration. Now it's time to add components to your page. You'll find that selecting and dragging components into your desired sections is quite intuitive. Think about what your app needs to display and function correctly. This could be anything from reports, related lists, or custom fields relevant to your business. Start by choosing a component you need from the palette on your left, and then drag it to your page layout. It's important to consider both functionality and design here, as both play into the user's experience with your app. After setting up your components, it's time to save your work. You'll see a Save button. Click it to ensure your work is not lost. Finally, we need to activate the app, allowing users to access and interact with it. Click Activation and follow the prompts to make your new Lightning app available to users. Once done, hit Save again to finalize everything, ensuring your Lightning app is all set and live. And that's it. You're now all set with your very own Lightning app in Salesforce. I hope this guide has been helpful in demystifying the process. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore further or tweak your app to suit your needs even better.